Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will learn today how to convert negative number to positive number in Excel. There are many ways to convert negative number to positive number. In this way, I will teach you a simple method how you can convert negative number to positive number. Okay, so let's begin this video. Please watch this video till end. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel so that you will get this type of video. We upload 4 videos in every week. Okay, in every alternate date you will get one video on Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So please subscribe and watch this video. So how to do this? In this Excel sheet you can see there are few numbers which are negative numbers. You can see here 256 minus 256 minus 45 minus 75 minus 854 minus 875 and minus 326. So how to convert this number to positive number? One way we can say we can type here 256, but how many times you will type manually? So there is a trick you can use in Excel sheet. You have to use a formula to convert negative number to positive number. The formula is like this. So first press equal, then there is a formula called ABS. Okay, ABS, then bracket start, then select the number, select this number, then close the bracket and press enter. Okay, you can see the negative number has been converted to positive number. So in one click, double click, go here. When you find this plus sign, then double click here. Okay, then automatically this number will be converted to positive number. So in this way you can find, and in this way you can make those negative number to positive number in a single click. Okay, so I think this video is helpful for you. You learn something new in Excel sheet. Okay, so if you really like this video, please hit like button and share with your friends so that they will also learn. So thank you guys. See you soon in my next video.